Welcome to napsonic channel once again. Today we will be discussing on Indian audit and account service. Like this video as well as share this video with everyone. Just stay on this video for a few minutes. You will know more about Indian audit and account service. Indian Audit and Account Service is also known as IA&AS Service. How to get selected to this post? UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, conducts a civil service exam every year. Through this examination, they select aspirants for 20 and above posts. Out of these posts, one is IA&AS, Indian Audit and Account Service. Any graduate can apply for this, and they graduate will be, once they pass this exam, civil service exam, and they will be trained well enough to be fit in this job. This IA&AS service is Group A service. Hence, this is the officers here, they work throughout India. The initial foundation training to these people happens at Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, which is in Mussoorie of Uttarakhand. The further training on this course, Audit and Accounts, it will happen at National Academy of Audit and Accounts, which is in Simla, Himachal Pradesh. These officers work under Comptroller and Audit General of India, also known as CAG. This is not controller, this is comptroller. What is the responsibility of this IA&AS service people? They have to audit the accounts of the union and state governments. This is most responsible job. And why they have to audit it? To ensure the accountability in public spending. That's most important. And the key responsibilities of IA&AS service are auditing government expenditure, ensuring financial accountability, preparing audit reports, performing audits, compliance audits, advising on financial management, international assignments, accounting functions. Now we will see each one of these responsibilities in detail. The first one is auditing government expenditure. Here they have to verify how the public money, the government money is nothing but public money, how it is spent. See, the money, any government which before spending, they have to get an approval. There will be an approval in the parliament or in the state legislature. So these people, IA&AS service people, first they just check it whether these money spending has been authorized by the government, either it may be state or the central. After that, they will just look into whether the same money which has been allocated for some purpose for public use, has it been used for the same purpose or is there any deviation in that? So this is what their job is. And finally, while spending, there are so many rules and procedures will be, and or these departments or the government, have they followed these rules and procedures? So why they have to do all these things? Only one reason: the public money should not be misused. The second important thing is ensuring financial accountability. By whom? By government bodies. Government bodies should be answerable. It means that these government bodies which are authorized by the state legislature or the union parliament, so they have to answer this Indian Audit and Account Service on all the financial transaction. So these Indian Audit and Account Service people will be looking into irregularities, if anything has happened, fraud as anything has happened or not, or the expenditure has been done in a good way or it is a wasteful expenditure. And most importantly, they would like to see the governance, whether it has happened in transparent manner, everyone does know about what is the expenditure, how it has been done or not, and why they have to do this. This is being done only to raise the public trust on the government. Each government expects public trust. So the public trust is the ultimatum. So the strengthening the public trust on a mechanism, government mechanism is also most important. And the IA and EAS service people, they are the responsible for this. Third one is the preparing audit reports. Yeah, once they look into all the financial expenditures of the state union, state or the union, so they will prepare an audit report and submit that to the president of India or the governor of states. On what all the things they will submit. If there is any financial irregularities has happened, then they will report it. And if there is any gap in the policy implementation, or is there any systematic weaknesses that has happened in while implementing, all these will be taken care in the audit report, and they will give it to the president of India or the governor of state, as the case demands. And you should be knowing that this audit report will be re-examined by Public Accounts Committee, also known as PAC. Fourth one is the performing audit. Performing audit is the core operational work of all the IA and AS people. So these people, they have to get into the field for field inspections. They have to analyze all the data they collect and review the radar, all the records and transaction that has happened. They have to review it, collect the financial data, and they have to analyze the data through the field inspection, and they prepare an audit report. This is most and the basic work of the primary work of all the IA and AS service officials. After doing all these things, they have to compile a suggestion report or advising report to the government. So on what all the things they can do it, the budget amount, how it has been spent, they will audit a whole thing, and they will give a report, suggestion, advising report to the government about the next year budget practices, in what way it has to be done. And also efficient fund utilization. For efficient fund utilization, they will give an advice to the government how the scheme has to be implemented, where are the gaps are there, and how to come out of all those things, and let the implementation be a perfect and a better one to the public. Sixth one is the international assignments. Yes, and apart from the working inside India, they will get an opportunity to go and work on deputation to international organization like United Nations or audit bodies of other countries. What is this deputation? Deputation is not the permanent job at the other countries. It is for few years they can go there, work and gain experience and come back. And also they get an opportunity to work as an external audit of UN agencies. And most important thing is they will get a global platform for sharing the knowledge on public finance, accounting functions. So these are the basic thing for which they have been appointed. So they have to compile and maintain all the government accounts, as well as prepare finance and appropriation accounts, and most importantly ensure accuracy of financial data. So these information are being brought to you by Napsonic channel. The slogan is My World, Our Destiny. Like this video and share with everyone, and subscribe to get more and more job information. Wish you all best of luck.